God. Oh, that's a hell of a way to start a video, right? Whoops.
Said I was done, I'm back at it again. Back in the car, we spinning the bin. Slide on your man, I'ma shoot at your friend. Knock him down and then we do it again. Glock automatic, I change the pin. Pull up jack and we change the VIN. Don't give a fuck which lane you in. Nuck if you buck, not to burn out your skin. Tell them get low like we doing limbo. Cause I'm stepping for show, you get hit in your toe. Never aiming at your motherfucking.
Graham, what's going on?
Well, unfortunately, I haven't been able to find a car yet, so we had to dip out of Houston. We have to get back to work. Either everything has a blown head gasket, a bad transmission, or nobody's coming off their price. A couple people told me that they weren't coming off their price because it's tax season and they know they'll get it, which makes sense. People are getting their tax returns back. They need to buy these cars. I'm struggling. It happens that Chase and I messaged, same guy for his car. Chase messaged them 20 minutes before I did, so I wasn't able to get to it. Other than that, nobody's responding, or like I said, nobody's coming off the price. I can scroll through all my messages. There's probably 200 of them. Hey, is this still available? Nothing. I'm still looking for a car, but until I get one in whatever city we drive through and I'm able to find one, then I'm just gonna fuck with Chase's.
What'd you buy, Graham?
I bought this hog.
Oh no.
It's gonna go right on Chase's.
All right, we're on the road again.
All right, let's go.
He has no idea. Bro.
Yeah, I tear the roof up off this bitch, nigga. My bitch super cute. When she give me a smooch, she make her lips bigger. That other shit out, it ain't in, is it? Baby came back with the tape, brought the hits with her. All this whack ass shit niggas putting out shit had me going to sleep while I'm driving. These niggas know what it is. Don't even try him. They know he ain't going for shit. He get.
What's on top of the car? I thought these people were fans and giving me thumbs up and shit.
Dude, I'll take a picture of the camera on your roof.
You lying, because people are coming by laughing and filming and giving me a thumbs up. I bet there's a huge black dildo on top of the car. What'd you have on there? That's a dildo, I knew it! How did you get a dildo on the airplane? Y'all stopped by the Lion's Den.
You almost didn't see it though.
Well, everyone kept going by and they were like, thumbs up, and I'm like, what the fuck are they doing? I actually expected you to stop.
Why am I playing with it?
Yo, what's happening?
The motor just blew up on the side of 65 North.
Dude, this is the second car you've blown up in 2 weeks.
I can't see shit.
Right there, boy.
Yep. I don't know. I had my AirPods, and I started hearing something. I'm like, I got a flat tire. I turned the music down, and then realized the motor was knocking, and I was like, fuck it. Yes, I'm just gonna leave it here.
All right, well, better luck next time.
Graham, what do you think?
I guess his beater's gone bad.
Somebody's gonna find it and be like, what the fuck is a dildo on top of a car?
Bitch, it ain't even my birthday, but I can ball if I want to. Pull up on cars if I want to. How about that bitch with that on in my jumpsuit? Go. Just do what I say and I love you, okay? I get this shit from my uncle. I told Bay get 22 inches of weed.
You wanna drive it?
Yeah. Inglewood, Florida. That Nissan's louder than this thing.
Fuck around and kill another nigga, you ain't even gotta push me how I'm feeling now. I've been having mood swings like a Gemini. I could use the murder for therapy. I can make the news with it. Break the internet, have them all nervous and scared of me.
How much do you sell it for?
I actually have it up on the market right now.
For how much?
4.3.
For 3?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even give you 3.
Then get away sneaky clean, never seen a thing. I got 44 F and them bullets and 25,000 stuff in these mirror jeans. Damn, look at what happened to hip hop. He at the Grammys, he still got that shit cop. Pull out the cameras with me and my bitch out. And take a picture, ain't a hating nigga in the world out here fucking with Big John. Knock out his brains if he got it on his mind. As if I got a reason to act like I'm lonely. I saw my big brother laid out with his brains blowed out, it's been catching up on me.
This motherfucker is about to go boom. Danny reached out to me a couple weeks ago. He said something with the city of Inglewood was pestering him or some shit, so wanted me to come down with the Humvee, blow some shit up right here in Florida. See other two smart cars out there, but we're about to go ahead and I don't know, I guess we're gonna blow this motherfucker up. But if you need merch, go to DannyDuncan69.com. If you put all 80 pounds in that, it's gonna be big. And I got some gasoline too.
What do you think?
In it.
It's fine for us, right? Like we're.
Yeah. So when
I
we
mean,
shoot
nothing's
it,
gonna go over
it'll
those
spark
trees,
up.
right? Why do you need water? But what does that have to do with fire? To be honest though, like when I did it, I didn't remember any fire at all.
Dude, it rained here yesterday a lot.
A lot. A lot. What year was it made?
1918.
Is it 2022 right now?
Yeah.
Q1. Feel how heavy this thing is.
Shoot it.
It's not too
It
much.
don't. It's a 308.
You got the kick in it, huh?
No, it's a 308.
You shot a 50 count, right?
It's like a AK.
Yeah, now it's starting getting heavy. It's starting getting heavy on it.
It is sketchy, I ain't gonna lie.
Eating on some pasta. Out to Kingston, I keep me some rock.
Daddy's new toy.
Bando. Shout out to the Migos. If a nigga not
Alright, so I know I wasn't gonna post a lot of gun content on this channel anymore. However, I think this is like semi-automotive because it's got my truck in it. I bought this bad boy a couple weeks ago, never shot it, and today we're gonna be shooting either that box truck or that smart car with this. It's a 1919 Chamberlain 308. It's belt fed.
knock wrong, shoot him through the peephole. The top always open, bitch. We ain't never got. We moving the
Here comes Danny, we're about to blow this shit up.
Hey, you wanna blow this up?
Blow anything up.
Try to blow this up. They're indestructible.
like a band in this bitch. Might she keep on bitching. All that nagging and shit.
We need to get him on an episode of Beaters Across America like ASAP.
Ho, shut the fuck up and just gag on this bitch. I'm a side nigga, and I love when she swap.
Chase or is
It's
your
up to you, Chase or Prodigy TV.
Chase sounds better, I'll be honest.
Chase Bank.
Was it?
I said Chase Bank.
What's bank?
Chase Bank, like a bank.
Oh. Yeah. Hey guys, here today with Chase and my favorite buddy Kiwan. This is also my favorite vehicle. It's a Humvee with a gun on top. Unlike other Humvees, this doesn't have tires. This has tracks.
Swallow if a nigga say
I'm so hungry, man. I can eat these bullets.
knock your meat at your
I've never shot the gun before.
You never did? Oh, shit.
I go flexing on these bitches. They call me Johnny Bravo. School of hard knocks. Let me take you to class. My bitch is real skinny, but she got a lot of.
Doing a 500 cal gun. I'm really excited, a little nervous. I'm shaking as you can see, but Kiwan's gonna help me through it. Thanks guys for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for liking this video.
I love counting money. I get a lot of cash. If you try to take it from me, you gon' have a cash. I ain't gon' say too much when the nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause the bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they get in pop quick. Flies nigga in the guy, bitch. I'm a cockpit.
That wasn't that bad.
Camelot with 100-something shots. I be swimming with the sharks, little nigga. You a lobster.
Oh, shit!
I don't even gotta put my fucking head up for that. Let's go, baby. Yeah.
Dude.
Baskin Robbins. I love Batman, but a young nigga robbing. Fireworks show. Yeah. I am a menace. Keep me a rage, I like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my.
Something's wrong.
And it ain't leaking nothing. I think it's just giving it hell because it's on grass. That bolt broke off inside the motor and I can't get it in, so I just ratchet strap it. Fucking, we went through that one spot and I guess a big ass pollen ball got my mouth. And I immediately just started gagging and then I threw up everywhere. Fucking pollen! We found 100% the weakness of the Humvee, which is grass.
It sounds terrible.
Oh, it sounds bad. It don't turn for shit. Like I'm literally cranking down with it. Alright. I need to go straight.
Oh my goodness.
You good?
Yeah.
I think I broke my hood. This motherfucker will literally go through a lake, fucking run trees down, climb a wall, hit it in grass, can't turn. Remember when I was backing up and I hit that tree really hard? Fucking broke my buggy wheels.
Ooh.
Which is not bad. So like, I guess these wheels are on a track, which I have all brand new wheels at the house. I just haven't put on yet. I just gotta put them on. See, I'm missing a complete wheel right here. The back wheel gone. I was backing up floored, looking out this side, and then BAM! So bad I broke that. Since it's broke, we're gonna try to limp this bitch back to Monroe. I think it should be fine. Like, if not, I don't know what to do. It's gone.
The smoke, 2 to 3 count with the scope, and still they clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, tell like he had him a cold. I knew the boy was a hoe, pull up with the gang, you know that we bow.
Oh man, I broke more. Fuck, man. Today's not a good day. We literally left, there was no one here. Look at all these trucks. Mitchell, I got some shit for you to fix. You see the front bumper? You see the hood?
You fucked up my hood?
Easy, Kilroy, that shit costs money.
Go get some duct tape and JB Weld.
I actually did not mean to do that one. Honestly, I was not trying to mess it up. We were out there in the grass.
I wasn't trying to mess it up, but I'm gonna drive it into a fucking tree.
No, it was grass. Was it not grass like the weakest link?
Oh, and you were just cooking and hit something.
It would not turn to save its life. Or there's like a pile of trees in front. I'm like, fuck it, just run the trees over.
How far did you drive this back like this?
Halfway to Athens. Hey.
This is gonna be a couple grand.
I'm gonna bring all the wheels tomorrow. I'm gonna change out all these wheels on the broken wheels on the tracks. You finally made the video with Danny Duncan, because you're in the video. Like, this is getting tied in with that. Danny, Graham, he had FOMO the whole time. Well, tell him what happened.
I had the shits.
You're peeing out your butthole.
I was. Dehydrated.
Hopped off the bus and I hopped in a port and a man 4G sitting on a 4-piece with a biscuit. I play with fire, sometimes I burn bridges. Bet you ain't never met a nigga love swimming. Pull up like Tracy McGrady from the Piston. Gotta keep a pistol for a fuck nigga dissing. Bet this chopper make him dance like a disco. I am a menace, keep me a rage, I like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis.